is Phil with XLR8 Roofing Construction. We had a topic come up that we wanted to kind of go over with some customers to give you a couple options when you file an insurance claim. I recently had a customer, had a presidential shingle, and was interested in converting that home into a tile roof. So we went through a little bit of the process with them. The insurance company came back and gave them a specific dollar amount. We let the customer know how much more it would be to convert that home to a tile roof. We actually had to get an engineer involved with the home. We had an inspector come out with the engineering company to make sure that the home could facilitate the load of a tile roof from a shingle roof. We got an okay from the engineer and got a full report from the engineer that we paid for. The customer was super excited and they were able to go back with a Capistrano S-style tile on this home over here in Sanford. If you're ever interested in upgrading the type of roofing material that you have, we have a lot of experience here at XLR8 Roofing, me and some of the other project managers, helping customers move from a shingle or tile to even to a metal roof. So if you have any of those kind of questions and that's something that you're interested, please reach out to us at XLR8 Roofing. We can definitely help you out with that. Sign off.